Good afternoon. Today I am going to present a paper titled An IT Empirical Diffusion of Online Offline Fake Government of Telangana, UFGOT. Okay. So this is the agenda, and here there are important terms like cyber crimes, cyber criminals, cyber forensic analyst, then twin cyber criminal organizations, namely JDH JAC and FGOT, Fake Government of Telangana. So there are four crimes committed, cyber crimes committed by this JDH JAC organization, and PGF, People's Governance Forum, and Right to Information Act 2005. So here different types of cyber crimes are shown in the form of diagrams. And this is the cyber criminal content present in the logo that is present in the jndhjack.com website. So it is taken from the Wayback Mission. And now, what is online offline fake government of Telangana? Online FGOT means the http://jndhjack.com it's a website with cyber criminal content in the home page of to the right hand side of the home page there is a logo, and in the logo Government of Telangana, mention of Government of Telangana, and also National Emblem of India. So that forms the cyber crime content. Now that website is mainly online FGOT, and offline FGOT means the JDH JAC organization which is doing organized activities in the JDH academic environment, that is called offline FGOT. And this is the screenshot. And so mainly the motivation is current solutions did not yield what were expected out of them, and there is a need for sensitizing the law enforcing departments to react uniformly and discriminately to all crimes. And also, there is a need for orders to prohibit these twin cyber criminal organizations and conviction of the cyber criminals. And coming to the research methodology, online diffusion of FGOT. We opted both online diffusion of FGOT and offline diffusion of FGOT. Under online diffusion of FGOT, we have People's Governance Forum website. Okay, and secondly, social networking sites. So like Facebook, Twitter, these are the solutions that are used by us, that are applied by us to enable online diffusion of FGOT. And coming to the offline diffusion of FGOT, we used RTA Act 2005, which is an offline effort, and forming pro-national workforce which works for the well-being of our nation. It's a big achievement. And also publishing well-indexed research papers. These are the offline diffusion of FGOT. And here we have online-offline diffusion of deleterious effects of online-offline fake government of Telangana. Here mainly we have these things: data collection and analysis, and online diffusion activities, offline diffusion activities. Then knowledge management is one subdomain, and knowledge engineering is another subdomain. All these together, when they are worked out together for the better society or for the better community, we will have a such digital community or society. So here we have PGF website screenshot, and it contains so many important links, and also the list of PGF members present. And this is the Facebook account of Professor K. Chandrasekhar Garu, Facebook account. And this is the image of the RTA request document sent to the Department of Science and Technology. So we have sent 4 queries in this RTA application, and the response, we obtained the response from DST, Department of Science and Technology. So this is the response, and it indicates point 1 and 2, which is FGOT, is not known. However, no funds under ICPS program have been sanctioned or released to Government of Telangana. Now, point 2 means point 3 and 4 in view of the above is nil. This is the response given by the Department of Science and Technology. So these are the details of RTA request response communication with various public authorities of India. So we have sent RTA applications to 7 public information authorities, and we received some of the responses, and if response is not satisfactory or the response is not obtained, then we went for the first appeal also. So like this we have. Coming to the tree of efforts and achievements. So the roots, so whatever is given to the roots will be fulfilled in the form of fruits obtained for the tree. So these are the these are the things we performed, and these are the fruits we received. So things that are performed are RTA Act 2005, Cyber Remedial Forum, then groundwork, ICT approaches, research papers, pro-national workforce, stronger groundwork. These are all the things that are performed by us, and the fruits here indicate digital society, knowledge society, virtuous society, progressive society, well-informed society. QONL stands for quality of national life, road to IT. Okay, IT stands for information technology. And coming to the conclusions, we have done sufficient work to achieve the proper judgment to the cyber criminals, the conviction of the cyber criminals. But there were some certain problems. Because of that, cyber criminal was not convicted. He simply was acquitted. And here we have used RTA applications, and here what we have learned is we could sensitize and insist the cyber police to pass orders to prohibit these two cyber criminal organizations and honestly work for conviction of these cyber criminals related to the cybercrime case. And in future we would work out to bring out knowledge-based systems and awareness systems, and to set up systemic studies towards remedial solutions for any cybercrime. These are the references. Thank you.